Yeah, hi friends. I'm going to discuss about the question and questions that is, uh, yeah, write short notes on alternative tourism, and another is and the second question and topic is sustainable tourism, and the third is a special interest tourism. So first topic I am just going to cover. So the first topic is alternative tourism. So we have to write a short note. Okay. So here, what is alternative tourism, and we will discuss about this, and we will discuss on this topic. Alternative tourism can be defined as forms of tourism that set out to be consistent with natural, social, and community values, and which allow both hosts and guests to enjoy positive and worthwhile interaction and shared experience. It involves traveling to relatively remote, undisturbed natural areas with the objective of admiring, studying, and enjoying the scenery and its wild plants and animals and cultural attributes. It also considers the conservation of the environment and sustain, sustains and well-being of local people. Further, clients are expected to be individuals. Accommodations are locally owned and small scale. In general, alternative tourism is an alternative to the mass standard tourism as philosophy and attitude. The main as the main ascent in these travels is the preserved natural environment, authentic atmosphere and cuisine, and local traditions. The alternative forms of tourism combine tourist product or separate tourist services different from the mass tourism by means of supply organization and the human resource involved. These are natural ecotourism, adventure like biking, horseback riding, snowshoeing, sky mountaineering, rafting, diving, caving, climbing, and so on. Thematic tourism connected with the cultural and historical heritage, the esoteric religion, wine, traditional cuisine, ethnography, and traditional music and handicrafts. Features of alternative tourism: the attempted preservation, protection, and enhancement of the quality of the resources base, which is fundamental to tourism itself. The fostering and active promotion of development in relation to addition, visitor attraction, and infrastructure with roots in a specific local and developed in ways that complement local attributes. The endorsement of infrastructure, hence economic growth, when and where it improves local condition and not where it is destructive or exceeds the carrying capacity of the natural environment or the limits of social environment whereby the quality of community life is adversely affected. Tourism, which attempts to minimize its impact upon the environment, is ecologically sound and avoids the negative impacts of many large scale tourism developments undertaken in areas that have not previously been developed, an emphasis on not only ecological sustainability but also cultural sustainability, that is, tourism, which does not damage the culture of the host community, encouraging a respect for the cultural realities experienced by the tourist through education and organized encounters. So that's it, and this was alternative tourism.